how to allow or don't allow apps making changes to reminders on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After that, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then go down to the Privacy section and then tap on Reminders. Now in here, you can choose Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. When you make a change, you need to enter the screen time passcode. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.